So free again, man. Almost like Thursday, like Friday evening, but and they said this not bad. It is have to go on so every week. We're gonna become a Vincent. Every week, every morning, we're gonna come and see Vincent people. With all these pyroclastic flows, when this goes up, it has to fall back. And when it falls back, it creates pyroclastic flows. When around the crater column is too dense, it falls back and it spreads out. Yo, man, yeah. Wow. April the 13th, Tuesday, 6:52. Wow. When the column of the volcano get cools, the ash becomes dense. It falls back, creating a pyroclastic flow. It's very deadly to humans. And it keeps going. I'm in Park Hill, on top of a mountain, getting a good view of this thing here, boy. For the past 4 days, it's been real terrible. The ash has been a real serious problem throughout the whole of St. Vincent and Grenadines. And it looks like more ash is still releasing. God save St. Vincent and the Grenadines, boy. Sooner or later, it's going to be dark again. It keeps on going. Wow.